Hi again, rhythm strummers. We've gone over the beginning strumming lesson number 1 where I showed you how to do the straight 8, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then emphasizing 1 and 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then emphasizing 3 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go to 1, 4, 7, where we're emphasizing one of the upstrokes. It's really cool, it's really fun. Here's what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll slow it down so you can play it along with me. But again, all it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiffany, could we have the 1, 4, 7 strum chart? Thank you. Okay. That's what you'll be doing along with me. Again, it's straight 8 to get the groove going. Just join me on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do 1, 4, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. I want to do this for a long time because this part, that upstroke is tricky. 1, 2, 4. Very important that you get that in your blood. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4. A little bit more. 1 more time. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Excellent work. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to move one little number over. And this is an example of how much fun you can have with this once you understand this systematic strumming stuff. I'm going to move the 7 over to the 6. And listen to what it's going to do. Just listen for a second. So I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to go 1, 4, 6. As opposed to 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 6. See, it's got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join me. Tiffany, 1, 4, 6, please. Excellent. Let's do the straight 8. Just join me now on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now we're going to go 1, 4, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. That's 2 ups in a row. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2. Excellent. Let's keep it going. This is tricky. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4. One more time. And out. Okay? Good work. Again, stop the tape, go back, do that as many times as you need to because it's really important that you internalize each of these patterns before you move on to the next one. Right now, we're going to move on to our most complicated beginning strumming pattern. These aren't really beginning. You're up to intermediate by now if you can do this stuff. But all it is it's variations on this movement. So once we've demystified it for you, you should be able to make sense out of even some real complicated strumming patterns, and you should be able to play them. So let's do a 1, 3, 6, 8. Sounds like a lot of musical jargon, but all it is I'm going to emphasize, I'm going to do this, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to emphasize 1. I'm going to emphasize 1, 3, 6, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Let me do it before you join me, just so you can hear how it sounds. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6. Okay, let's slow it down. Join me again. 1, 3, 6, and 8. It's up there. So we're going to start with a straight 8. Join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go now. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out. So, the message in these last two lessons is that all you have to do is take that straight 8 and juggle the numbers around and find something that you like and something that works with the song that you want to play, and you will have the tools to play along with any piece of music that's in a straight 8, that's in an 8 or a 4 kind of rhythm. So I really hope that you will internalize this movement and then start juggling the numbers around. And once you've got that in your blood, start learning some of the great songs that we have over at rhythmstrummer.com that are just waiting to be played by you. Thanks for joining us.